Welcome to Auto Express Review. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 Suzuki GSX-250R. A bike that may seem calm at first glance, but hides a lot more under the surface than you'd expect. And make sure you stick around till the end. There's a surprise waiting just for you. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-250R comes in looking sleek, refined, and almost humble. But don't let that fool you. Suzuki has built this machine with a very specific purpose: to deliver solid performance in a comfortable, efficient, and budget-friendly sports package. This isn't a fire-breathing superbike, but it's not trying to be one. Instead, it balances everyday usability with sport bike DNA, and that's where the magic begins. With its refined styling, angular fairings, LED lighting, and refreshed graphics, the GSX-250R turns heads without screaming for attention. It's a sleeper, a silent performer that's ready to surprise. Let's talk heart and soul, the engine. The GSX-250R packs a 248cc parallel twin engine, tuned for smooth power delivery and everyday usability. Don't expect top-end screamers here. This bike is all about refined acceleration, predictable throttle response, and exceptional fuel economy. Suzuki claims over 35 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most efficient sport-styled bikes in the 250cc segment. Producing around 25 horsepower and 23.4 newton-meters of torque, it may not dominate the track, but for city rides, highway cruising, and weekend thrills, it's an absolute joy. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth, the clutch is light, and gear changes are crisp. It's a perfect entry-level sports bike for new riders, and a solid commuter for experienced ones. The GSX-250R is not just about looks or numbers. The ergonomics are relaxed, with a slightly upright riding position, making it extremely comfortable even on longer journeys. The telescopic front forks and monoshock rear suspension soak up bumps effortlessly, and while it's no track weapon, the handling is sharp and confidence-inspiring. Suzuki has used 17-inch wheels with grippy tires and given the GSX-250R a disc brake setup with dual-channel ABS, providing strong stopping power and great safety, especially for newer riders. Whether you're weaving through traffic or hitting twisty back roads, the GSX-250R feels planted, light, and nimble. The 2025 GSX-250R doesn't go overboard with flashy tech, and that's actually a good thing. You get a fully digital instrument cluster showing speed, revs, gear position, fuel efficiency, and trip data, all crisp and easy to read. The lighting system is all LED, including the headlights and taillights, enhancing visibility and modern appeal. No fancy rider modes or traction control here, but that's intentional. Now here's where Suzuki truly nails it: the pricing. The 2025 GSX-250R is expected 2.20 lakhs ex-showroom, placing it right between the budget sports tourers and the more aggressive track-ready 250-second Seek. Its main competitors include the Yamaha R3 V4, KTM RC 200, and Bajaj Pulsar RS 200, but the GSX-250R stands apart with its smoother engine, relaxed ergonomics, and better fuel economy. It's the ideal bike for those who want Suzuki reliability, sporty looks, and daily usability without breaking the bank. So, is the 2025 Suzuki GSX-250R worth your attention? Absolutely. While it doesn't chase high horsepower figures or cutting-edge tech, it offers reliability, comfort, refined performance, and sharp looks, all in a surprisingly affordable package. It's a bike made for those who want to enjoy motorcycling every day, not just on weekends. If you've ever felt that most entry-level sport bikes are either too aggressive or too dull, the GSX-250R finds the perfect middle ground. It's calm, it's composed, but it still knows how to have fun. And now here's the surprise we promised. According to inside leaks, Suzuki is planning to launch a touring edition of the GSX-250R later this year, Rumored to come with a taller windscreen, soft panniers, and USB charging ports, this edition is aimed at budget-conscious tourers who want sporty looks with long-distance practicality. Yes, the GSX-250R might just become the ultimate affordable sport tourer in it.